Wix portfolio tutorial, how to create a portfolio with Wix. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I am showing you how you can create a portfolio website using Wix.com. So let's get into it. First of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go to Wix.com and you will land on this website right here. Wix is an amazing website builder that allows you to create your own blog. You can create your own portfolio website, you can create website templates and much more. So once you get to wix.com, you can click on get started if you do not have an account, and you can sign up for free using your email address or your Google account. So once you sign up or sign into your Wix, it will take you right here. This is your main, dashboard. So here we have my sites, and let's get started with a brand new website. So we're gonna click on create new site. Now we'll have to answer a few questions for Wix to create a template. So we are creating a portfolio website, and let's create a PR portfolio. Next, what would you like to call your website? Let's give our website a name. It's a PR portfolio, so I'm gonna go with the name and click on next. Now we can add different pages to our website. So if you want to add the chat, you can, a blog, Instagram feed, a video, or if you want to add like an online store, bookings, and more. So with a portfolio website, we can go with either blog here or chat, and then we can also go with the bookings one. But I'm going to actually go with the portfolio here. We also have a portfolio option. So we'll select this one. Showcase your work in a beautiful portfolio. Then click on next. And now it will take us to our Wix website builder. Before that, we can pick a template. So as a complete beginner, I will suggest to go with a template and you can completely customize it. We searched for PR portfolios and now we have all of these different amazing templates. So for a PR and a CV type of portfolio, we have this template is the best match for us, and we have this one. So what I'll do is I'm gonna simply go with this one right here and click on edit. And here we are inside our Wix editor. This is our website right here, and we can expand, actually zoom in a little bit to the website. There you go, perfect. Now you can see at this side of the screen we have add elements, add sections, pages and menu, site design, add apps, my business, media, and content manager. Now we're gonna go with the add element here, and with add elements you'll be able to see that we can add text, images, buttons, strips, decoratives, box, gallery, list, videos and music, social, payments, blogs, stores, and much more. So you can see all of these different options. Then we have add section and pages. Let me take you to pages first. And these are the pages of our website. We have a home page, a portfolio page, a blog page, and then we have our members and shop. So search result, this one is a private one. Okay, so I am happy with the homepage, portfolio, blog. If you want to add another page, click on add page here and you will be able to add more pages. For instance, we have an about page or services. So this is the one that I was looking for, a services page, because I want to add and embed this services page to my portfolio website because I want to show the different services I offer. So we're going to actually select this page. We'll go with the basic one and click on add page. So now I am okay with the pages. Let's start editing. I will show you how to edit with the home page. So at the top here, it says, the header. So I'm going to click on the header here, and we can, of course, change the site title here. And I'm going to click on edit text. And here, I'm going to change it to my, site title. So I'm going to go with my name here. And we can then add this same style that we already had. And because I am a marketing agent, so we're gonna go with marketing agent. Okay, so this is the text that I wanted to go for. Now you can see this is like our main banner image, and here I like this style where we can see all of the pages, and then we have this image and this very simple text. Hi, my name is this. So I'm gonna click on this and edit it out. So I'm not gonna add hi, my name is. I'm just gonna go with the name here. So we're gonna click on edit text again, and here we'll change it like so. And this is what it looks like. Now we're gonna edit the text at the bottom here because this is not our information. So of course we'll edit it out. So our text is edited, and now we can edit the image. So we're gonna go to the image here and click on change. This is where I'll upload my image, and I'll show you how to upload any image to Wix. You click on change image and it allows you to upload media from your computer. You can get the media from your drive, and it will show you the media that you already have. So we're going to click on upload media and select the media from our computer. So I have uploaded this image. Now, let's actually change the background because I am not satisfied with this background color. So we're gonna go to the change column background, and you can see this is our background color, and I'm gonna change it to something a little bit darker or with a darker tone. So we can go with the theme colors here, and you can see we have selected this one, but I'm gonna actually go with this. Okay, we can either go with this one or this. I think this one actually is giving me the same. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this color here, and then we can even select a darker color if we want to. Okay, let's actually go with this one. Select the color and then it will be added. We can even add an image or video in the background, or we can select from the stock image. Then we have this column background. So again, I'm going to click on change. And this time we can actually select a color, or we can go with something else. So here, what I want is, I want a darker shade of this. So we're going to select here. Then we can move on to the next part, which is editing these buttons. To edit a button, click on button here, click on change text, and you can change the text and the link as well. This is where you add the link to a button. Similarly, the social bar here, click on the social bar, click on set, and it will allow you to change and add the socials, and you'll be able to add the social links of your social media platforms very easily. If you want to add an element, go to the add elements here. Let's say I want to add text. Go to the text section, and it shows you different types of text you can add. I'm going to go to the paragraphs and select this one. Select it and it will be added right here, and now we can adjust it wherever we want to place it. So you can see working with Wix editor is actually really easy, and creating a portfolio website is just like creating any other website on Wix. So you can place the text here. For instance, I wanted to add like a blank section, so I can go to the section here, and we can add different types of sections, or we can add a blank one. So I'll be adding a blank section here. You can see it will be added. And now I can go to the elements. And let's say I want to add a gallery. If you have a portfolio website for a, let's say, photography website or something like that, you can go to the gallery here, and you'll be able to add like different types of galleries to your website. Similarly, you can upload videos and music. Let's say if you have a portfolio website for a video editing business, something like that, you can embed YouTube videos, Facebook videos, and more. When it comes to payments and content manager, blog, store, bookings, these options will be available here at the bottom. Similarly, we have our site design. This is where I can change my typography, fonts, the site theme, color theme, page backgrounds, and page transitions. Then we also have the Wix apps. So you can add different apps to your Wix website. Once you're done with one page, you can just go at the top, switch pages, and added all of the pages that you added to your Wix website. Once you're done, you can click on preview and get the preview of your website that you just created. Click on publish, and your website will be published with Wix. Creating a portfolio website is really easy. You can actually get started with a portfolio template, and it will make things more easier for you. And after that, you can add all of sections and elements and edit the website the way you want. I hope this video was a big help. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.